Good morning, everybody. Today is day 28 of morning pages. It's cloudy out today, so I had to put on the light a little bit to get some more light in here. I really enjoy cloudy days. It's been hot the last 2 days, like 100-degree temperatures, and it didn't really cool down last night. It was difficult to sleep when it's that warm, so I'm kind of not feeling very well rested. I had a really great, amazing day at the lake yesterday. I went to Lake Tahoe on my motorcycle and found an awesome spot overlooking the water. Had a nice secluded area. I was going to go over by People, but decided to go a different route, and I found a really cool private area. Just was really nice and I had such an amazing time. So many cool things happened. But that's a whole nother story. We're doing morning pages. The pen drama is still ongoing. For those of you just watching, this pen, I just waiting for it to run out of ink. Maybe today. We'll just never know. I don't know anymore. So today is July 17th. And here we go. Alright, that's it. Pen is still going. This thing, I really thought that pen would be out of ink a long time ago, and it's still going. So, page 1, page 2, page 3. Morning pages, day 28. Complete. It's filling up. All right. Yeah, that was. I didn't sleep too well. I got kind of trapped in the thinking mode. That's kind of like what I was exploring today with the writing. Just exploring how the thinking mind can interfere and kind of wreak havoc if it's not under control. It could sneak in there and then cause you to start thinking about all these things and stressing, or at least for me, it just kind of was good for me to write these pages and to catch what was happening, because I didn't sleep that well, like I said. It was also really hot, and I also am trying to work through some of these sleeping things, and I think a lot of it comes down to just letting my thinking mind kind of interfere and come to me, and I don't know. I don't really have much to say. I'm tired. So the whole writing today was kind of scattered. I'm still kind of wanting to be in bed right now. I don't really feel like being up, but I am. So I don't know. That was day 28. Nothing really spectacular. I shouldn't even. I'm messing this up. That was day 28. I'll see y'all tomorrow.